Cognitive reliteracy through the quantum question is not a utopia. It is the next phase of the evolution of your consciousness. This treatise is not just a lecture, it is an activation code, an invitation to the radical transformation that begins in your inner cosmos. The urgency of this personal liberation is undeniable. There is no time for inertia when your unlimited potential is waiting to be unleashed. The emotional resonance this message awakens in you is the first step on your journey toward an authentic existence. Are you ready to wield the most powerful weapon against cognitive colonization? To use the quantum question and free your thought patterns from inner domination, unleashing your unlimited potential into an authentic existence of mental sovereignty and unprecedented existential freedom. Our thought patterns, our perceptions, even our emotions, are shaped by flows of information designed to direct our attention and, with it, our will. We are often puppets in a shadow theater, believing we choose when, in reality, we are chosen. But in this labyrinth of mirrors of material reality, there is an ancient and radically underutilized tool capable of piercing the veil of illusion. The question, not the superficial question, the one that seeks a prefabricated answer, but the quantum question, the one that destabilizes imposed certainties, illuminates the dark corners of bias, and, in its very formulation, liberates us. Let's rearm ourselves with the art of deep questioning as the most powerful weapon against cognitive colonization. Are you ready to unleash your unlimited potential and reclaim your mental sovereignty? When the question becomes a portal, cognitive colonization is the silent invasion of our inner cosmos by external control algorithms designed to direct our attention and shape our perception of reality. These flows of information act like invisible chains, imprisoning our will and creating a virtual reality of the mind that we accept as our own. This is where the quantum question emerges as the unbreakable light. It is not a simple search for information, but an act of cognitive disruption. By asking a question that challenges the imposed paradigm, we generate a singularity in consciousness, a turning point where the veil of illusion is torn apart. This deep questioning allows us to unlock unlimited potential by reconfiguring the soul's algorithm, optimizing our existence from within. It is the path to personal liberation, spiritual awakening, and building an authentic existence, free from inner domination. It is the tool to overcome fears and reclaim mastery of being. Our thought patterns are the battlefield. Discover how the quantum question can pierce the veil of illusion and dismantle cognitive colonization. Imagine a life of mental sovereignty, where your will is yours and your unlimited potential is unleashed in an authentic existence. It's time to rearm yourself with deep questioning and liberate your inner cosmos. You feel trapped in a shadow theater, your emotions and perceptions directed by external information flows that prevent your personal liberation. This inner domination generates existential anxiety and a deep spiritual blockage, as if you were a puppet in your own life. Do you feel the urgency to break these invisible chains? The quantum question is your most powerful weapon to destabilize imposed certainties and reclaim your mastery of being, optimizing your existence from within. Before, your attention and will were directed by external information flows, immersed in cognitive colonization and the virtual reality of the mind. Afterward, your inner cosmos will be a beacon of unbreakable light, your unlimited potential unleashed, living an authentic existence of mental sovereignty. The quantum question, the profound interrogation, is the bridge that takes you from being a puppet to being the creator of your own material reality, activating the algorithm of the soul. Our approach uses quantum inquiry as an ancient and radically underutilized tool to penetrate the veil of illusion generated by information flows. This allows you to achieve profound cognitive disruption, overcome deep-rooted fears, and access your inherent wisdom and inner truth. Dissolving cognitive colonization. The result is accelerated spiritual growth, an authentic existence full of purpose, and the unlocking of your unlimited potential by reclaiming your mental sovereignty and personal liberation. The pact of mental decolonization. You feel that your thought patterns and perceptions are being directed. Yes, you're a puppet in a shadow puppet theater, aren't you? We promise you that, with deep questioning and quantum questioning, you can liberate your will and unlock your unlimited potential, living an authentic existence. If existential anxiety and feeling like a puppet in a shadow puppet theater hold you back, and you yearn for personal liberation and mental sovereignty, this is your calling. Understand how information flows, shape your thought patterns and perceptions, creating a veil of illusion and a virtual reality of the mind. Learn the art of quantum questioning, the ancient tool to destabilize certainties, illuminate biases, and unlock your unlimited potential. Activating the algorithm of the soul, you will feel driven to challenge cognitive colonization, to be the creator of your material reality, and to live your authentic existence with mastery of being. Your inner revolution toward existential freedom begins right now, with each deep questioning. That feeling of being a puppet haunts you, right? This inner domination prevents you from expressing your unlimited potential and your inner truth. How long will you allow external information flows to direct your will? We promise you personal liberation, the eradication of cognitive colonization, and full access to your inner cosmos through quantum questioning. The moment of your radical transformation and reclaiming your mental sovereignty is imperative. Every day of inaction reinforces the invisible chains of your virtual reality. You are aware that your thought patterns and perceptions are being shaped, that you are a puppet in a shadow theater played by cognitive colonization. Now you understand that quantum questioning is the ancient tool for piercing the veil of illusion and reclaiming your mental sovereignty, the unshakable conviction that you can unlock your unlimited potential and achieve personal liberation through deep questioning takes root within you. This is the only path that addresses cognitive colonization directly in its most subtle information streams. Using quantum questioning as an ancient tool for your personal liberation, you will learn to destabilize certainties, illuminate biases, and unlock your unlimited potential, achieving radical transformation and an authentic existence, free from inner domination. This content is for those who feel like puppets in a shadow theater and are determined to use deep questioning to reclaim their mental sovereignty and the unwavering light of their inner truth. For this message to not only spread but also find souls who resonate with this inner truth in every corner of the planet, keywords must be woven with the precision of a neural network, acting as vectors of consciousness in the vast digital space. For this viral content to not only inform, but also transform, we must sow questions that resonate deeply within the being, generating an insatiable curiosity and an emotional resonance that invites sharing. If your thought patterns and perceptions are an echo of alien information streams, what version of your unlimited potential has remained unexplored, captive in the virtual reality of the mind? How far are you willing to go with the quantum question to destabilize the certainties imposed on you, even if it confronts you with the uncomfortable truth of having been a puppet in a shadow theater? What invisible chains prevent you today from living your authentic existence and expressing your inner truth? And what personal liberation awaits you when you cut them off at the root with the unbreakable light of the quantum question? If your inner cosmos is the divine matrix of your existence, what new symphony of being are you ready to compose? Once you have dismantled inner domination and activated the soul algorithm that gives you back control of your will,